In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create background art on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, you will log into your Squarespace account. Take a moment to open your browser and go to Squarespace. Then sign in using your usual login method. Once you are logged in, you should be looking at your Squarespace dashboard, where you can manage your website pages and design settings. Next, you will open the Pages panel and select your page. In the Squarespace editor, the Pages panel is typically where you can view all the pages that make up your site. Click or open the Pages area and then choose the specific page you want to work on. It is helpful to confirm you selected the right page before making changes, because background art settings apply to the page or the section you edit. After you have your page selected, click Edit. This takes you into the editing mode for that particular page, where you can modify sections and styling. You will usually see your page content on screen, along with editing tools that appear as you hover and interact with elements. Now hover over the section where you want the background art to appear, and then click the pencil icon, which is the Edit section option. Hovering is important here because you need to target the correct section. Look for the section boundaries, or the area you want to enhance visually. When you see the pencil icon, click it to open the editing controls for that specific section. Once the section editing panel opens, click the Background tab. This is where Squarespace groups the tools for changing the visual background of the selected section. Selecting the Background tab ensures you are making changes in the right place rather than adjusting unrelated design settings. From the background options, select Art. By choosing Art, you will be able to add patterned or decorative background artwork instead of relying on a solid color or a basic image. This is the feature that gives the background a designed, modern look that fits well with Fluid Engine layouts. Next, you will choose a tile to add the pattern. On the screen, you should see a set of art tiles or pattern options. Pick the one you like best as the starting point. If you are unsure, choose something that feels close to the look you want, because you will refine shapes, sizes, and motion in the next step. After the art is added, click the settings icon on the tile. This opens the adjustments for the selected pattern. Spend a moment here to fine-tune how the background art behaves and looks. You can adjust shapes, sizes, and motion so the pattern matches the style of your site and does not overpower the content in the section. When you are satisfied with the look, click Save. Saving confirms your background art changes and applies them to the section. After saving, you may see the updated background immediately, or it may refresh the section area so you can review it in context with the rest of your page. At this point, you have created and customized background art on your Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine page. If you want a different effect later, you can return to the same section, open the background art settings again, and adjust the pattern further. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.